The Action 3 only defaults to the back screen when the camera goes off and turns back on. On the Osmo Action, there is no front screen. That is a standby. On the Osmo Action 3, there is no standby. It is a long press to turn off. This is the standby. If the camera had a standby, and that's the standby, then we'll be able to go here, swipe down, go into the cog, enable this, or enable it over here at screen switch. That will confirm. Once you do this, you're able to switch your screen back to front. Screen lock, camera goes off, and the light should go out. You can only have your front screen this particular way. Once the camera is off, 1000, and then you turn the camera back on, it automatically goes to the back screen, and the front screen dims down and shuts off entirely. There's no way that we can change this setting. If it had a setting like so, for example, says snapshot, this is a window that opens up. Front screen on, primary. Back screen on, primary. We don't have those features. And that is why we don't have the front screen working the way we want. Get enough people for DJI to put that into firmware.